say glueless, I mean glueless. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Buenos noches, buenos días. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Shantell Styles, and today I am not faffing around. I'm getting straight into this install. It is a 6x6 glueless install, completely glueless. I don't lie when I say glueless. When I say glueless, I mean glueless. This wig was sent to me by Wiggins Hair. It is a 6x6 HD closure wig, and it truly is HD. Like I said, glueless install. I've been needing a new little wig that, you know, I don't have to do too much. I don't have to, you know, stress myself out. A wig that I can even wear to work. Pop on, pop off. And this wig is exactly that. I'm gonna jump straight into the install today. Like I said, no faffing around. We're gonna get straight into it. Everything that you'll need if you're following this tutorial will be linked down below in the description box. And before we jump into the next clip, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Adios. So in today's wig unboxing, you get eyelashes, an elastic band, a wig cap. You also get this pretty scarf, a Wiggins dust bag for your wig, and then the wig itself. So here's just a close-up of the hair. And now I'm just moving on to how I plucked the hairline. So what I like to do is I like to part a line and then take my hand or my finger and almost use that to separate and hold the hair back, and then I go in and pluck anywhere between 3 to 4 times, and then I skip a section and repeat. For the purpose of this video, things have been sped up, but definitely do take your time. I'm not the best at plucking, nor am I the quickest either, so I tend to be very slow. It can take me anywhere between, 35 to 45 minutes at times. And what you want to do is just do this in sections. Depending on how plucked you want your hairline, you can part behind the hairline and keep working further and further back until you get your desired look. Now I'm just taking my Care wax stick and I'm smoothing that over the hairline and then going in with my hot comb just to press that out. Now I'm just getting ready to apply the wig. As mentioned, it is a completely glueless wig, so there wasn't very much to do. It was so beginner friendly and easy. Now I'm just going in with my comb. I'm brushing it out because, I'm not looking right. And then I go in with my sleek contour palette and use one of the shades, the darkest shades actually, just to blend the lace. It is HD, so there isn't really much work required. But I think it's still necessary to put a bit of foundation on your lace just to help it match. And now, as you see, I'm just prepping the hair for styling. So when I get to the top of the hair where the actual lace is, I like to go in sections. So I essentially part a line, add my wax stick, hot comb it and straighten it, and I keep doing that until I get to the very top. This just helps to really ensure that, all the hair has been straightened, everything is laying flat and, falling in the direction that it needs to fall in. Now you'll notice when cutting my lace, I use two different tools. I go in with the eyebrow razor to actually cut most of the lace, and then at the very corners what I do is I like to kind of follow that line, that thicker line, and cut directly into that line and then cut it off, if that makes sense. My reason for this is it helps to conceal the tracks that tend to show right at the edge of where the lace is, where the track and the actual lace meets. Well, in my opinion anyway. Now I'm just going in with some concealer, just to open up my part, and then slowly you'll see me progress onto my baby hairs. I'll section those out, cut them, mousse them down, and pretty much mold and shape them. My camera unfortunately died whilst I was doing my baby hair, so we're just going to jump right back in. So here's just a close-up angle of the hairline. It is looking very, very good if you ask me. I didn't actually use a single product, not even mousse, which I would usually use, but I don't know why. I mean, it works for the purpose of this video, I guess, really showing you how easy this wig is to pop on and go. Now, for whatever reason, I can be a little bit strange. Looking back, editing this, the middle part looked fine, but no, Shantell Styles was not happy. So what did she do? She was impulsive and she changed it into a side part. But again, for this video, I guess it works out because you can really see just how versatile this wig is, and you have a lot of parting space to the point that a side part actually still looks quite natural. So now I'm just showing you a few different angles of the hair. This video was super short and easy because there really wasn't much to do. I'm actually gonna wrap it up here, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Adios.